ongabakholwa kuye bokhanyiso kelanga bokhanyiso kelanga angisoze ngahlukana angisoze ngahlukana wangithanda kangaka njalo 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 sothandana khona lana khona le angisoze ngahlukana
One, two, asiguqa sonke. 1 2. Oh baba onamandla,
modimo wa matla
mdalo wezulu nomhlaba,
modimo wa lehodimo le lefatshe,
wena obona ekujuleni,
wena o bona mahareng,
yise wabo bonke abamkhonzayo,
ntate wa bohle ba ba mo rapelang,
uNkulunkulu wase-Afrika,
modimo wa Afrika,
uNkulunkulu wamakhosi akithi ohlanga,
modimo wa dikgosi tsa heso.
oh Jehova,
Jehova,
wena othanda bonke abantu,
wena o ratang bothe batho,
uNkulunkulu weintaba,
modimo wa dithaba,
uneengelosi zakho
o na le mangelo ya hao
emagumbini omane omhlaba,
mafatsheng ohle lefatshe,
eyintabeni
dithabeng
ingelosi khona.
lengelo le teng.
Ngiyakhuleka
Ke a rapela
kuwe Jehova,
ho wena Jehova,
ngiyakhuleka
ke a rapela
uNkulunkulu wobaba,
modimo wa bontate,
uNkulunkulu wokhokho,
modimo wa bokhokho,
uNkulunkulu wogogo,
modimo wa bonkoko,
oh uNkulunkulu wezizwe,
modimo wa ditjhaba,
uphakeme wena,
o phahame,
awusebenzi baba
ha o sebetse ntate
ngokwengqondo yomuntu
ka kelello ya motho
nangokwenhlakanipho
le ka
yomuntu,
tlhalefo ya motho.
usebenza ngendlela eziningi
O sebetsa ka ditsela tse ngata
ukuze abantu bakho
hore batho ba hao
bakwazi ukuthi
ba
uJehova.
tsebe hore o Jehova.
Oh ngiyakhuleka,
Ke a rapela,
ngiyakhuleka
ke a rapela
ngesizweni
ke
lasemhlabeni
le lefatsheng,
phezu kwalentaba,
hodimo ha thaba yena,
ngiyakhuleka
ke a rapela
ngelosentaba
lengelo la thaba.
naba abantu
Ke
bakho
bana batho ba hao
ongiphe bona
ba o
baba,
fileng bona ntlha,
ngiyababeka
ke a ba beha
bakhumbule
ba o hopole ka sheko.
oh naku umhlatshelo baba
Sena se hlabelo ntate
uza kuwe
o tla ho wena,
mawube ihlawulo
haebe
lamaqala abo
yamillathi
ubapha
yabona
amandla
bafema
ukuze bakhona ukuya emakhaya
bathi boya mahaya
bayolungisa amaqala
balukisemela
nezibuso zonke
mahlonelo wo
basehlele kubona
fulwele hubo
oh sithunywa sasezulwini
oh messenger of
oh
heaven
khosi lumaphikophiko
oh eagle of heaven
namhlanje
today
ukhona kule
you are
ndawo
here in this place
ukhona
you
Jehova
are here Jehovah
ngelosi yasenqabeni
angel of Enqabeni
akama phansi kwabo bonke laba
rise
bantu
upon all these people
oh nasi izizwe ngezizwe
here are nations and nations
oh ibongo ngeyibongo
surnames and surnames
bahamba nezithunywa zabo
they
baba
go with their messenger Father
esibalethe kule
they
ndawo
brought them to this place
namhlanje baba
today Father
oh mabagezwe
may they
Nkosi
be cleansed Father may they
babahlanjululwe
be cleansed
zonke
all
iqalekiso
the curses of
zasemndenini
the family
bengakazalwa
before they were born
namhlanje baba
today Father
nanku umhlatshelo
here is an offering
ngiwunikela kuwe
giving
baba
it to you Father
zulani phezulu
the Lord in
abanye
heaven
abazulu ethuba phansi emhlabeni
that are thundering to
abantu yathi
thundering
bezizweni
that are thundering in nations
bonke abantu
bless
bakho
all your people Father
abazogezwa
they are going
namhlanje
to be cleansed today
bezongena echibini lakho
entering your water
ubahlanze baba
cleanse them Father
baphi inhlanhla
give me the lucky
abaneyipho
those
zabo
with gifts
ubageze baba
cleanse them Father
abatshotshelwe iy'pho zabo
those that gifts were stolen
zathwetshulwa
and turned up
asibuyiswe
let them be brought back
ngiyabonga ke
I'm
sibakade
thankful Lord
oh ngiyakubusisa
I'm blessing you
namhlanje ngiyakubusisa
today I'm blessing
wena
you
uguqe kule
the
ndawo
one kneeling in this
abe
place go
uphumelela
and succeed
abe
go
uphumelela
and succeed
bekhona abathakathi
when witches are there
zikhona izitha
enemies there
ngamandla sentabeni
the power of the
ngelosi
mountain
yentaba
the angel of the
oh
mountain
mayihambe nawe
it must
namhlanje
go with you today
mawubusiswe
be
nomndeni
blessed
wakho
and your family
nabantwana
and
bakho
your children
nezizukulwane
and your
zakho
grandchildren
ngiyabonga baba
thank you Father
nanku umhlatshelo
here is an offering
ubusise baba
blessed Father
ubusise baba
blessed Father
ubusise baba
blessed Father
cela ichibi
I'm asking for water
nayiyeka lokho baba fisa baba uma ukholwa
when you believe
enhlizweni yakho
in your heart
isitha sakho inhliziyo yakho
your enemy is your heart
esingabazayo
that is doubtful
ungayingabazi izinto ezikamoya
don't be doubtful of spiritual things
ungabe nebuzo
you mustn't go enter it
engeke kusize ngalutho
that will never help you anything
uNkulunkulu uma ekhuluma ngomuntu
when God speaks to a human
uNkulunkulu ukhuluma ngomuntu
God speaks to a human
ubusisa abantu ngomuntu
and blesses people with a human
kunjalo nje
it's like that
umuntu ubuswa ngomuntu
a person is blessed by a person
ungathi nje ulihambile uswele
you may go and miss out
uvele kuqhamuka umuntu
and a person comes
akunika ukudla akunikeza imali
and give you food and give you money
uNkulunkulu ongene kulo muntu
God entered in this human being.
mase lapha asinayeke umNigeria
When we're here, we don't have a Nigeria,
asina Zimbabwe
we don't have a Zimbabwe,
asina Mxhosa
we don't have a Xhosa,
asina Mzulu
we don't have Zulu,
kodwa singabaka baba sonke
but we belong to the Father all.
oh Nkosi yezulu nomhlaba
Modimo le hodimo le lefatshe.
nazi ibani baba
Here are the lights, Father.
nampa abantwana bakho
Here are your children.
cela ke uthambise lapha la ukuthi ucise kushunqe kahle abakhanyisele baba
May they have light, Father.
nabangekho kule ndawo
Even those who are not in this place.
khona kade befisa baba abasemakhaya
Others wished, but they're at home.
ngale nkonzo yanamhlanje
With the service of today,
bakhumbule
remember them.
abasemgwaqeni
Those
amakhawe
who are in streets,
bakhumbule
cowards,
baba
Remember them, Father.
abasemakhaya njengamanje
Those who are at
ema-altar
home at the altars right now,
abagcina imisebenzi emakhaya
that are keeping work at home,
lempepho ayiyoshunqa nakubona
may this incense burn upon them as well.
nalamakhandlela wakhanye emzini yabo
And even the candles must light up in their
lezibani
homes.
mayikhanye ey'mpilweni
May
zethu
these
zonke namhlanje.
lights light up in your lives today.
makube khona isibani
Let there be light.
makube khona isibani
Let there be light.
makube khona isibani
Let there be light.
zonke izinto zakho
All your things
ey'valiwe
that are closed,
ngiyayibuyisa
I'm bringing them back.
bonke ubuthakathi
All the witchment,
bonke abayogezwa namhlanje
those who are
ntambama,
going to be cleansed today,
bonke abazogezwa
those who are going to be cleansed
echibini
in the water
ngaleli gazi
with this blood
elizochitheka la
that is going to spill here
nayeli chibi
in this water.
abagezwe baba
May they be cleansed, Father,
bathole impumelelo
and get success.
zonke iy'qalekiso
All the curses,
siyayishisa
we are burning them
ngalesi silwane
with this animal
esisiphiwe emvelinqangi
that were given by God,
Nkosi yezulu nomhlaba
creator of heaven and earth,
iy'lwane
animals,
iy'nyoni zezulu
the birds of heaven.
wasiphi ukuba siphile ngazo
You gave us to live with it
kusuka emandulo
from way back.
obaba bethu baba
Our father's father,
wabapha isambulu
you gave them a revelation.
wabapha inkonzo
You gave them a
yokuthi
service
baxhumane nawe
so that they connect with you
emsamo
at the altar.
namhlanje baba
Today, Father,
ngikulo msamo wasezulwini
I'm in the altar of heaven.
mawuxoshe imsamo
It
yobumnyama
must
lapho
chase
uhlala khona
away
ekhaya
the altars of darkness where you live at home.
yonke imsamo ethunyelwa kini
All the altars that are sent to
namhlanje
you.
siyayibhidlisa
Today we are destroying it.
yonke imsamo
All altars
eyenza ukuthi imali
that
ingahlali
makes money not to spend,
ungaphumeleli
not to
oh
succeed.
sebenza moya
Sebenza more.
sebenza moya
Sebenza more.
Kena kuhalalisa ke uhalalisela uNkulunkulu
Hallelujah.
oh somandla
Oh Lord,
baba siyabonga
Father, we are thankful.
langa uzokwenza njalo ke ndodana
You are going to do that, my son.
lapha
There,
ngizocela ukuthi kube khona isigubhu esamanzi
I'm asking for a bottle of water.
ngifuna ukufaka inyongo inyongo lapho
A Bible
kube igazi
and blood.
isigubhu nje esi-empty
Empty.
ophethe amanzi ngicela awaphaphisela phezulu
Raise up your water up.
ophethe ichibi lakhe
The water.
uliphaphisele phezulu
Raise up your water up.
ichibi lakho uliphaphisele phezulu
Raise the water up.
ithi Nkosi
Say, Lord,
sithunywa
messenger,
sithunywa
messenger,
ngibosise
bless me
ngaleli chibi
with this water.
ngelosi yentaba
The angel of the mountain,
ngibosise
bless me
ngaleli chibi
with this water.
baba onamandla
Father, with power,
ngiyacela ingelosi yakho
I'm asking for your angel
ayingibosise
to bless me
ngaleli chibi
with this water.
zonke izinto yivuleke
All things must open up
kuphume izifo
and diseases come out.
eyingalapheki
Even those that don't
mangabe
know it,
zikhona
if they are there,
mazife
they must die
ngaleli chibi
with this water.
mazife egazini
They must die in the blood
ngaleli chibi
with this water.
oh buyisa-ke amanzi ngibusise le mpahla angibusisela ngithi ngibusile okay lana ngapha kimi
Come to me.
baba onamandla
Modimo a nang le matla.
ngiyakhuleka mvelinqangi
Ke a rapela Modimo.
ngingcwelise baba
Mo tlhonolofatse.
ngingcwelise
Mo hlonolofatse.
nasi isilwane ayakusona
Ke ena polayang ho yona.
ngizocela baba
Wa ntate.
ingelosi yakho
Lengelo le hao
ayingamlimazi
Eskamulima.
ayimbheke
Emoshebe.
isithunywa sakho sentaba
Lengelo ilaho lata.
uma eya lapha
Haya mo.
asimemukele
Semamuhele.
impumelelo
Phumelelo.
ibe khona
Ibiti.
ngiyacela
Ngiyakupha.
ingelosi
Lengelo
yentaba
yatha.
uma eya lapha
Haya moli.
khona into enje
There's something like this.
isambulo sasezulwini
The revelation of heaven
okumele nisazi
that you need to know.
laba bantu abasuke beyothwala
Those people who go carry bad spirits.
ngikhuluma izinto ezijule kakhulu
I'm speaking things that are in depth.
khona abantu abasuka beyothwala noma
People go and carry bad spirits.
bethatha umnikelo owumuntu
They take an offering as a human being.
uthi nje uma lo muntu loyo esembambile
As they're holding that person,
leyo nyoka
that snake
eyomthwalisa
is going to make them cry.
isuke sihlezi kuye lo muntu
It's already sitting on that person.
isuke isimbalile
It's already counted that person.
isuke isilindele ini igazi lakhe
It's waiting for his blood.
engakambulali
Without even killing them first.
kodwa uma ngabe esazi ukuthi lo ngizokubamba
And knows that I'm going to catch you.
enye indoda
Another man,
yathatha omunye umuntu baya eMozambique
they took another person and went to Mozambique.
umngani wakhe
A friend of his
waya enyangeni kwathi yathi
went to a traditional
thola
healer.
umuntu uze naye
Get a person and come with him
azoba umhlatshelo
and to be an offering.
akazi lo mngani wakhe
The friend doesn't
wathi
know.
hayi ake sihambe mngani wami seMozambique
Let's go to Mozambique.
engathi lapha impilo ikhona
There is life
nalo
there.
uhluphekile ngithi
This one is suffering.
akuqaphela indaweni ehambayo
Be careful of the places you go to.
lona akatsheli umuntu ukuthi uya
This one
eMozambique
doesn't tell
wathi wena
anyone he's going
ungatsheli
to
umuntu
Mozambique.
mngani wami
Don't tell anyone, my friend.
bahamba baye eMozambique
They went to
kanti
Mozambique.
uyazi lo ukuthi
This
uyonikela
one
ngayo
knows that he's going to
Right,
get
so
an offering. Do you hear that?
umuntu ongamthembi la emhlabeni
Don't trust anyone in this world.
khuluma nomuntu angabi
Speak to a person
ungamthatha umfake epokotweni
and not put them in your pocket.
wahamba akazi lo
This one doesn't know.
baya le eMozambique
They went to Mozambique.
babefika kuleya nyanga
Then when they got to the traditional healer,
asambeni semfuleni
let's go to the river.
babefika emfuleni
When they got to the river,
ayike siyangena la
we enter there.
ila khona engizovula khona inhlahla zethu
That's where I'm going to open up your luckies.
angene lo
This one enters.
okuyena olande lo
The one who fetched the other one
angene phakathi emanzini phansi
entered in the water down.
isiyazi inyoka isimregistered lo ukuthi
The
iyazi ukuthi
snake is already
lo
registered.
akona
That
umhlatshelo wakhe
this is not
hey
an
abantu
offering.
angele ngaphandle
People are troublesome out there.
angene lo
This one enters.
olande umhlatshelo
Who's fetching an
indene naye
offering?
inyanga
The
Bayiphathe
traditional enters.
emanzini.
They go down in the water
isikhathi
for time.
babuye
They come back.
nalo asho athi cha
This one then says,
abantu bangena emanzini
people are entering the water
kanjani
How?
babuye
and they come back.
kusho ukuthi ngempela ikhona lento
It means this thing is
engiyiselela
there that I'm coming for.
hayi bese kuthiwa ithuba lakho ke nawe
Now it's your chance.
imthatha inyanga
The traditional healer takes
bangena
this.
emanzini
They enter the water.
inyoka seyimlindele vele
The snake is already waiting,
igazi vele useregistile
already registered in the blood.
ukuthi namhlanje uzosala
That today you're going to stay behind.
bashone phansi
They go down.
inyanga ibuya yodwa
The traditional came back by himself.
akasabuyi lo
This one doesn't come back.
uma njoba ubona lo mhlatshelo
As you see this offering,
njoba ubona
as you see it,
engelosini
and the angel
naphambi kaJehova
in front of God,
usuregistered
it's already registered.
igama lakho
Your name,
uthathile umnikelo wakho
you took your offering,
wafaka la
you put it here.
usubaliwe la
You're already counted here.
usubaliwa alingenza ukuthi ngithini
You're not hearing what I'm saying.
sewubaliwe la
You are
wena
counted here
ukuthi uzophumelela
that you're going to succeed.
impendulo uzoyithola
You get answers.
engelosini
And the angel,
asebenze ke thina ngayinyoka
we don't work with snakes.
Manje ke uma uya lapha lana
When you go there, Langa,
kumele ngikuthandazele
I must pray for you
ngoba
because
lapha sekuhleli ingilosi
there's an angel sitting there
eyazi mina
that knows me.
mawungavela uhlomeke nje
If we just go there,
ngicela kanjeni ngicela ukuthi lo obambe lapha akukhayele wena hamba lapha bambe leyambuzi
go to the goat.
ya khala ke wena ke uhlale lapha
And you sit there.
khala ke bambe kanjalo ngoba ngibekele isandla manje
I put a hand on you already.
angithi manje sekumele ukuthi achithe igazi lana
Now you must play blood.
ngibekele isandla
I put a hand on him.
ingelosi yentaba
The angel of the mountain
isimukele
has already received him.
sekumele manje asebenze lembuzi
Now he must work onto the goat.
lo okuyena ozomnceda
The one who's there is going to help
ngeke abe nankinga
will never have a problem.
kodwa njengamanje ingelosi
Right now, the angel
iseregister ulanga lapha
has registered Langa there.
lempahla
This animal,
ayibuyele emuva
it doesn't go back.
ngoba impahla emele amacala enu
It's a goat that is standing for your own family cases.
impahla eyogeza mina
It's going to cleanse you.
impahla yokususa iziqalekiso
It's to remove curses.
nanoma yisiphi isiqalekiso
Whatever curse it
khona
is,
isiqalekiso nje sikababa
there
wakho
is
ukuthi
a curse of
akazange
your father
akuhlawule
who never taken care of
manje
you.
sikubambile
It's
lesiqalekiso
holding you this
mina
curse.
ngizokunikeza umusa ukuthi kulunge into yakho bese uyoyilungisa
So
wena
that you go
uhambe uyoyihlawula wena
You take care of yourself.
uyoyihlawula wena
You take care of yourself.
ulungisela uyile
You're fixing it for your father.
icala alenza
The case is done.
wakushiya ehlane
He left you in a felt.
so uzoyithatha ke lana bamba ke umese
Hold a knife.
nilathe phansi bamsize ke abanye
Others must help him.
ya ngoba ya nimsize ke lapho ke ngizofuna ukuthi uyivule lokhoze asihlinzi ayihlinzwa le
We are not going to
futhi
skin it.
masiqeda kukhona esizokwenza kuyona
There's something we're going to do to it.
siyayishisa
We burn it.
angazi ukuthi kuvumelekile ukuthi uyisho ukuthi inqinwa angiboni
Cha
Okay.
bazosixosha no SPCA engasibopha.
Nkosi kubusisa
God bless you.
ngicela ukuthi ukhiphe ke igazi elishisa uspithe lisashisa
Take out the blood while it's still hot.
ulifake ke
Put it.
angithi ke laba abakhonza ubusathane
Those who are worshiping
laba
Satanism,
abenyoka ngesikhathi lichitheka kanje
by the time the blood spills,
inyoka iyakhotha
the snake then starts leaking.
ya alingabe liningi ya
It must be too much.
okay lithatha ulifake esigujini
Put it in a bottle.
isigubhu ngalokuthi uyiqaqela phakathi nendawo ukhiphe ilo kahle wena amapholo isigubhu lesi esinesivalo
The bottle with a lid.
isigubhu ya yenza half ya faka lapho ihlinze phakathi nendawo
You can skin it in the middle part.
okay right mawuqeda ke uzothatha ubuyise kimi
After that, you're going to
Yeah.
bring it to me.
linde kancane ngicela ahlabele umuntu
Another one must sing.
Alala ngenkosi halala ngenkosi, halala ngenkosi, halala ngenkosi, wosithi phansi Sathane, phansi Sathane, phansi Sathane, phansi Sathane, halala ngenkosi, halala ngenkosi, halala ngenkosi, halala ngenkosi, wosithi phansi Sathane, phansi Sathane, phansi Sathane, phansi Sathane, halala ngenkosi, halala ngenkosi, halala ngenkosi, halala ngenkosi, wosithi phansi Sathane, phansi Sathane, phansi Sathane, phansi, halala ngenkosi, halala ngenkosi, halala ngenkosi, halala ngenkosi, wosithi phansi Sathane, phansi Sathane, phansi Sathane, phansi Sathane, phansi halala 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 phansi 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 halala 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 phansi 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 halala 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 phansi 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 halala 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 phansi 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 phansi.
Sonke nje ngicela siguqe noma sigebise amakhanda. Ngicela
All of us may bow down or kneel.
uma uzwa umsindo
If you hear noise
wabantu
of people,
ngicela ukuthi ungathuki.
please don't be afraid.
Khona okuzokwenzeka manje.
Something is going to happen now.
Kade uyisapha. Atha le. Atha ibuye la.
Let the animal come here.
La.
Here.
Uyisa lapha ke into yokushisa.
Bring something to burn.
Yokushisa. Cut me down. Oh yeah.
Void in the middle. Another one, please help him. Be careful a bit.
Sonke nje asiguqe ngamadoda.
Let us all kneel down.
Ngicela ukuthi ngilide.
Let me lead.
Zonke izitha eyibhekene nami
Elishebane
mazishe namhlanje.
Hadicheka zonke.
Bonke abathakathi
Beshabalona.
babashe namhlanje.
Habacheka zonke.
Zonke iziqalekiso
Zohlekile.
mazishe namhlanje.
Hadicheka zonke.
Mabhede bomnyama
May darkness move
mabuvela ukhaya.
and light to come in.
Bonke abafuna mina
All those looking for me
babashe namhlanje.
must bow today.
Zonke izitha
All enemies
ezivala impumelelo
that are closing success
mazishe namhlanje.
must burn today.
Bonke abathakathi
All the sorcerers
mabashe
must
namhlanje.
burn today.
Bonke abathakathi
All the witches
bezozwa kithi
of my family
mabashe namhlanje.
must die today.
Ingelosi
The angels
yasenqabeni
of Enqabeni
abashise
must
namhlanje.
burn them today.
Zonke izitha
All enemies.
ngicela ukukhuluma yonke into ofuna ukuthi mayenza
Everything that must happen here. Speak. Speak.
yonke into ikhuluma njengamanje.
You must speak everything right now.
Cela yonke into
Ask everything.
ucele nemali ucele nempilo
Ask for life and ask for money.
ucele nomuzi
Ask even for a home.
ucele nomshado
Ask for marriage.
celela ibhizinesi lakho
Ask for your business.
celela ibhizinesi lakho
Ask for your business.
khuluma yonke into thetha yonke into.
Speak everything.
Oh sebenza moya
Sebenza moya.
moya wasezulwini
Moya lehodimong.
zonke izitha zabo masinqotshe namhlanje
All the enemies must be defeated today.
phezu kwalentaba.
Upon this mountain.
Makuvuleka imisebenzi
May jobs open up.
makuvuleka imishado
May marriages open up.
makuvuleka imizi
May homes open up.
makuvuleka imali.
May monies open up.
Oh sebenza moya
Sebenza moya.
babusisa abantu bakho namhlanje.
Bless your people today.
Ngiyakhuleka Jehova
I'm praying, Jehovah,
uNkulunkulu wentaba
God of mountains,
uNkulunkulu wemfula
God of rivers,
uNkulunkulu welanga nenyanga
God of the moon and the
nazo
stars,
zonke inkanyezi
and all the stars.
babusise baba namhlanje.
Bless them, Father, today.
Babusise Nkosi.
Bless them, Lord.
makuvuka imizi kade ifile
May homes that were dead rise.
abanezikweletu mayipheliswe
Those in debts must end.
abahamba omashonisa
Those who go to debtors
abapheliswe baba
must end today, Father.
bapha impumelelo yemali
Give them success of money.
bapha isibusiso
Give
namhlanje
them blessing today.
obekungenzeki makwenzeke
What didn't happen must happen.
bavula amaphupho
Open dreams.
bavula inhlanhla yabo
Open their luckies.
bavula impumelelo
Open their success.
usebenza moya
Sebenza man.
usebenza sithunzi
Sebenza lingeloyi.
usebenza moya
Sebenza man.
moya wasezulwini
Moya lehodimo.
moya wamandla
Moya mahla.
ungamangali mawuzwa umsindo abanye
Don't be
bekhala
amazed when others are making noise and crying.
abanye bazovukela zipho zabo la
Others, their gifts are going to rise.
abenithule kancane abenithule kancane sisi
Let's keep quiet and listen a bit.